Hello learners, thank you for joining our today's mathematics lesson. In our today's lesson, we are going to introduce a new unit known as time and speed. This unit is not very new to you because in standard 5 we also looked at time and speed. In our today's lesson, we are going to revise what we learned in standard 5 in regard to conversion of units of time. We did say that time can be measured in hours. You can also measure time in minutes and also seconds. You can measure time in hours, minutes and seconds. Today, we are going to revise on how to convert hours into minutes, from hours to minutes. So the subject is mathematics and the unit is time and speed. Time and speed. Time and speed. So today we are going to revise on conversion or convert hours, to learn to convert hours to minutes, hours to minutes, and we are on page 150, convert hours to minutes. Our first example will be convert 4 hours into minutes. Example 1, convert 4 hours into minutes. 4 hours to minutes. 4 hours to minutes. Convert 4 hours into minutes. Learners, I know this you learned. We learned that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Here we are to convert 4 hours to minutes. Therefore, 4 hours will be equal to, we take 4, this 4, the reciprocal here, 4 over 1 times 60. 4 over 1 times 60. And this will be equal to 240 minutes. 240 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, 4 hours will be equal to 240 minutes. Then example number 2, how many minutes are there in 3 hours and 55 minutes? How many minutes? Example 2. Example 2. How many minutes are there in how many hours? In 3 hours. In 3 hours. 3 hours and 55 minutes. So the answer in this question, we've been given 3 hours and 55 minutes. 55 minutes. We are supposed to convert 3 hours into minutes. We don't need to convert 55 minutes because 55 minutes are already in minutes. So we convert these 3 hours, then we add 55 minutes. So we come here and say 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 3 hours will be equal to 3/1 times 60 minutes, which will give us here 180 minutes. 180 minutes. Therefore 3 hours and 55 minutes will be equal to let me write 3 hours and 55 minutes will be equal to the 180 minutes that we have calculated here, 180 minutes. Then we add the 55 minutes plus 55 minutes. That will give the total there. So 180 plus 55 is equal to 5 here. Then 13, 2. 3 carry 1, 2. So the answer here is 235 minutes. 235 minutes. So 3 hours and 55 minutes will be equal to 235 minutes. So learners, let us continue practicing. I'll come here and rub. These are 2 examples. These are 2 examples. We need to do more examples together. Let me write these examples. Convert to minutes. Example 3. Example 3. Convert to minutes. A 5 hours. B 12 hours. C 26 hours. And D 72 hours. Then E 108 hours. 108 hours. So we need to convert these units. These are units. We said time can be measured in hours, time can be measured in minutes. You can also measure time in seconds. So we want to convert 5 hours into minutes. And we have said that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. Therefore 5 hours will be equal to 5/1 times 60 minutes. Which is equal to 300 minutes. So 5 hours is equal to 300 minutes. This is A. Then I can do B here. B 12 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 12 hours will be equal to 12/1 times 60 minutes. So we'll multiply here 60 times 12. This is equal to 72. That is 720. 720 minutes. 720 minutes. 12 hours will be equal to 720 minutes. That is B. Let us now move on to convert 26 hours into minutes. 26 hours into minutes. So we come and write C. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 26 hours. Therefore 26 hours will be equal to 26 over 1 times 60 minutes times 60 minutes. So we'll multiply 26 times 60. 6 times 6, 36, write 6, carry 3, then 2 times 6, 12 plus 3, carry 3 here, 12 plus 3 is equal to 15, then we have a 0 here. So 26 hours will be equal to 1,560 minutes. 1,660 minutes. Then D, you can do D here. D, we need to convert 72 hours into minutes. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 72 hours will be equal to how many minutes? 72 hours will be equal to 72 over 1 times 60 minutes times 60 minutes. So we multiply 72 times 60. 72 times 60. So 6 times 2 is 12. Write 2, carry 1. Then 7 times 6 is equal to 42 plus 1, 43. 43, then there is 0 there. So 7 hours will be equal to 4,320 minutes and 20 minutes. Then D, we can move on to D. This is D. Then E. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 108 hours will be equal to 108 over 1 times 60 minutes times 60 minutes. So we'll multiply 108 times 60. 8 times 6 is equal to 48. We write 8 here, carry 4. 0 times 6 is 0. Then we write 4. 6 times 1 is equal to 6. Then there is 0 there. So 108 hours will be equal to 6,480 minutes and 80 minutes. 6,480 minutes. So this is correct. This one is correct. This is correct. And this one is correct. So learners, that will mark the end of our today's lesson, where we have revised conversion from hours to minutes, hours to minutes, hours to minutes. These are units of time, units of time. You can measure time in hours, you can measure time in minutes, you can measure time in seconds. So I will give you exercise from your book. I want you to go to your book and do exercise number 96. This is exercise number 96, question 1, question 2, and question 3. Go and revise question 1, 2, and 3. When we meet next time, we'll learn how to convert time from minutes to hours. God bless you.